Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about CragsX.io. CragsX is one of the best blockchain unique DeFi platform and decentralized exchange. CragsX DeFi Power Exchange decentralized finance platform built on and powered by Ethereum. Token pre-sale is live. It 30 days 22 hours left. You will be glad to know that Kratos offers a lot of opportunities. Everybody can earn money and also use tokens as means of payment by CragsX. By CragsX, you will be able to optimize your yield for obtaining CragsX tokens. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. The services need their solution for us. Secure wallet. In order to store tokens, you need wallets that are very compatible with lending and savings. Opportunities. They provide some opportunities. Kragox offers various financial options and opportunities within the cryptocurrency and blockchain space to clients. Development. Creating DeFi applications, building cryptocurrency exchanges, enabling the use of Kragox token for purchase across the digital world, and enabling the use of Kragox token to facilitate and receive payments and wages. Immutability. Kragox is built on a very relatable Ethereum blockchain. Governance. Kragox relies on a strong decentralized governance uncontrolled by an establishment or government but by an independent board. This will be governed by DeFi Master idea, voting on these members and giving essential decisions. Security. Kragox employs a Turing enclave protocol to protect and minimize all attacks, therefore keeping the platform safe. System. Kragox system is decentralized to handle and process very high volume of transaction in a fast and decentralized, uninterrupted manner. Lending. Kragox contributors would be able to lend and borrow through a secure, dependable system and get paid by earning interest on assets. Exchanges. Kragox offers peer-to-peer trading platform for cryptocurrency. About Kragox. Kragox is a very unique platform dedicated to providing fast, smart, accessible, profitable financial services for borrowing, lending cryptocurrency assets, staking for returns, exchange of cryptocurrency asset, decentralized application, and an automated market maker. Kragox. Users will be able to optimize their yield for obtaining Kragox token, earn money, and also use tokens as means of payment. There is the token sale history. Kragox will offer various crypto assets on Kragox platform. Payouts will be made automatically on investment using our smart contracts. Starting time January 25, 2021, Monday 10 am, and ending time February 25, 2021, Thursday 12 pm. Token initial price on KRX equal 0.05 USD. That means 5 cents. And minimum purchase $20 to $100. Total token sale 10 crore KRX. Acceptable currency Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Token sale persists. Term and advisors 6%, 5% for private sale, 39% for company reserved, 45% public sale and bonuses, and accounts and partnership 5%. Here is the roadmap. Roadmap 2021 Q1 seed funding for private sale and public sale. It's ongoing. Question 2 2021 platform architecture and tech. Q3 2021 DeFi integration for lending and borrowing partnership with e-commerce firms. Q4 2021 platforms and institutions partnership DEX and DApp ready with code released. Q1 2022 e-commerce clients and business activities and innovations. Q2 2022 continuous market participation and Kragex major event. Do you have any question? Then there is answer for you. What is cryptocurrency? Tune on and know about cryptocurrency. That is the answer. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that facilitates the purchase of goods and payments for services but uses online ledger to store and secure online transactions. Can I make money from Kragex? Absolutely yes, you can make money from Kragex. You may stake token, you may hold token till the price rising, you may get bonuses token for referrals, you may get dividends. How do I save my Kragex? The best way to store tokens is offline via a paper wallet. This is a cold wallet that you can generate from certain websites. It produces both public and private keys that you can print out and keep out of sight. The safest crypto wallet in Trezor. When do I sell my Kragex? You may sell your tokens on an exchanges available and receive payments in your desired available currency. How may the value grow? Token value grow due to uses and transactions by the community. Continue development programs and milestones hit by moderators and development of the project. Get in touch. If you want to get in touch, then enter your name in your email, subject and message, then submit. You can also contact with them via email address. That is the Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram and YouTube. You can follow them for future updates. Kragex newsletter. Kragex DeFi powered exchanges decentralized finance platform built on and powered by Ethereum 2.0. For getting updates, you also put your email and subscribe. That is the best project in 2021. It is Kragex. Hope you guys understand and have any doubt, then comment below. I will help you. You guys, if you want get profit or want to make huge money, then you need to invest your money in this project. Hope that you guys will benefit it. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.